Most people who try to day trade for a living lose money. Before you learn to trade, you need to understand those odds and the structural reasons they exist. Study after study, across different countries and asset classes, lands on the same range. Somewhere around 70 to 90% of active day traders lose money over a given year. This isn't a failure of willpower or intelligence, it's a baseline, a fact you start from, not something to ignore. Digital Edge Lab is built on top of that reality, teaching you what actually helps traders tip those odds in their favor. 3 structural reasons. First, you're trading against market makers and institutional desks with infrastructure you don't have, not because they're smarter, but because they see order flow and execute faster. Second, every trade costs you the bid-ask spread, and those costs add up fast when you're trading 20 times a day. Third, making 10 decisions a day, every day, is a different psychological task than 3 a week. Fatigue and overconfidence show up precisely because the volume is high. Day trading tends to suit people who can win on a trade that loses money, because they followed their plan and the market simply didn't cooperate. People who can sit with uncertainty for hours without overriding their own rules. People who have capital they've genuinely accepted could be gone. And people who journal, review, and improve based on evidence, not gut feel. If that's not you yet, this course is built to develop those traits. Digital Edge Lab teaches you how markets are structured, how to size risk, and how to read price action. The chart analysis tool on the platform helps you study setups and check your reasoning. It is not a signal service. Nothing here is financial advice. You are responsible for every dollar you trade, and you should treat every dollar as money you've already accepted you could lose. Expect this arc. First month, learn the mechanics. Contracts, order types, risk sizing, without live money, or only minimum size. Second month, paper trade or simulate a single setup until you can explain why it works or doesn't in plain language. Third month, if you go live, go small. The goal is proving you can follow your own rules under real pressure, not proving you can make money yet. Skipping steps doesn't make you faster. It usually just means learning the same lesson later, with more capital at risk. Every skill in this course assumes you've accepted the base rate is hard, and your edge will come from process, not prediction. Educational only, not financial advice.